Today is 15 August 2019. Market opened down 52 points. However, managed to trim some of the losses and eventually closed down 21 points to close at 3126. Now markets today test the support at 3,100. However, was able to actually hold above that. This is generally positive. Mentioned in the recent coaching that our markets is actually way oversold, so the downsides is limited. And today gap down is probably in reactions to the sell down in Wall Street. Dow Jones is down 800 points. So there's a tendency for overreactions and generally open low but close high. Now immediate resistance is actually at this gap here. I would like to see whether it can close up this gap about 3136. The most significant resistance is at 3200. Support remain at 3100, which is important levels to watch. Now mentioned we have very few strong stocks, so we got to be very selective considering the market is actually very jittery. Now the strongest perhaps is actually SGX, making successive high followed by a pullback. Notice today managed to open low but moved up. It's a small depot setup. Look for a break above the high of 832. Now we'll be discussing CMMC Gold Mine. Now the stock pullback today. Right now here we have a small depot setup. I'd like to see break above the high of 325. Notice the pullback has slightly lower volume. Now Olam actually has a very strong bar a couple of days ago and followed by pullback. Again, we'd like to see how it actually turned out. If you continue to trade sideways, it's generally positive. They are just riding on this momentum. Notice actually the moving average are downward pointing. So we are actually riding on this momentum built on this extension bar. Alright, now obviously we have some narrow range bar here which may offer some kind of weak resistance. So we just have to watch out this level as well. Now type average has a strong showing today. However, it trade an extension bar with very high volume. With the bar like this, more likely to pull back. Now during the pullback, we can look for setup. By then, the moving average will be in order. That will give us better odds. Now Sheng Siong's is a sluggish stock, but it held out well. If you notice that actually there's a series of overlapping bars, but the stock actually held out well despite the sell downs. It's trading sideways right now. Here we have a small dipper. Look for a break above the high of 118. Now sometimes it's better to take a look at the weekly charts for sluggish stocks. Notice actually is doing a very large consolidation patterns. Alright, so I'd like to see challenge this high here of 118. Let's take a look at some of the property stocks. This is CDL. Notice quite similar to most of the big cap stocks, open low moved up. So basically actually a severe sell down as it's trading sideways. Again, we like to actually wait for it to complete its consolidations and look for potentials to short on the downside. Now the fact that actually we have very severe sell down, so this stock is actually weakened, is now correcting through time.